and values. So exercise 10.1. First question. Find the lateral surface area and total surface area of the following right prisms. First one. So here the diagram is given. It is a cube of 4, cube of side 4 centimeters. Second, here the diagram is given. Cuboid of dimensions 8 centimeters, 6 centimeters, 5 centimeters. So these are the dimensions. We need to find out both lateral surface area and total surface area. So first one, solution. First one, cube side equal to 4 centimeters. Cube side equal to 4 centimeters. Okay, side equal to 4 centimeters. That is A. I am taking A equal to 4 centimeters. Lateral surface area LSA formula 4A square 4 into A square 4 into A 4 square 4 into 4 64 into 4 64 centimeter square or square centimeter. Next, TSA total surface area formula 6A square 6 into 4 square 4 square equal to 16 into 6 96 square centimeters. So this is the solution. Next, second, cuboid with the dimensions. So cuboid. So L equal to 8, B equal to 6 centimeters, H equal to 5 centimeters. Lateral surface area PH of L plus B 2 into H 5 8 plus 6 2 into 5 10 8 plus 6 14 14 into 10 140 square centimeters. Next, TSE total surface area equal to 2 of LB plus BH plus HL 2 of L into B. So 8 into 6 48 6 into 5 30 8 into 5 40. So 2 into 40 plus 30 70 70 plus 1 48 118 overall 236 square centimeters. So this is the lateral surface area and total surface area of the given solids. Next, question number 2. Second question. The TSA, the total surface area of a cube. The total surface area of a cube is 1350 square meters. Find its value. So here total surface area is given. We need to find out the value. Okay, solution. TSA of cube which is equal to 1350. What is the formula for TSA? 6A square equal to 1350. A square equal to 1350 by 6. 6 into 2 12 1 15. So 6 into 2 12 3 35 25. A square equal to 225. A equal to root of 225. 225 is the square of 15. 15 square equal to 225. So A equal to 15 centimeters. Not centimeters, meters. So now value formula is equal to a cube equal to 15 cube 15 into 15 225 into 15 into 5 75 15 into 2 30 plus 7 37 15 into 2 30 plus 3 33 meter square cubic meter or meter cube. So this is the value. Here the total surface area given. From that we got side, then we find value. Next question number 3. Third question is find the area of four walls of a room four walls of a room if its length 12 meters, breadth 10 meters, height 7.5 meters. Okay. Find the area of the four walls of the room. So assume that there won't be any doors and windows. So we are thinking that there won't be any doors and windows. Completely doors only. Okay. Now, so length, breadth, height is given. We need to find out. So it is nothing but area of the four walls. Area of the four walls is nothing but lateral surface area. So solution: L equal to 12, B equal to 10, H equal to 7.5. Lateral surface area, it is nothing but area of the four walls. So 2H of L plus B, 2 into 7.5 of 12 plus 10. 7.5 into 2, 15.0, it is nothing but 15 into 12 plus 10, 22. So 15 into 22 equal to 330. So 330 meter square. So this is the area of the four walls. Okay. Area of the four walls is always lateral surface area. Okay. Next question number 4. So fourth question is, how does the total, the value of a cuboid, is 1200 centimeter cube. The length is 15 centimeters. The length is 15 centimeters. And breadth is 10 centimeters. And breadth is 10 centimeters. Find its height. Okay. Now, so what are given? I want to write first. Solution: length A equal to 15 centimeters, breadth B equal to 10 centimeters, height we don't know. Value which is equal to 1200 centimeter. Value formula: length into breadth into height. LBH equal to 1200. Length 15, breadth 10, height we don't know 1200. H equal to 1200 by 15 into 10. One of the zero cancel. 15 into 8, 120. H equal to 8 centimeters. So this is the required solution. Okay. Next question. The next a box. The total surface area of a box. The total surface area of a box change if first one, each dimension is double. Each dimension is doubled. Second, each dimension is tripled. Express inverse. Can you find the total surface area? Can you find the total surface area? Can you find the total surface area of the box? If each dimension is raised to n times. Okay. So how does the total surface area of a box change? Okay. Each dimension is double. Each dimension is triple. We will discuss about it later. First, solution. Length, breadth, height of a cuboid are L, B, H respectively. So length L, breadth V, height H. Okay. Then TSA formula. 2H of L, 2 of LB plus BH plus HL. Actually 2H of L plus B is the formula for lateral surface area. We need total surface area. This is the formula. Okay. First one, if each dimension is double. If each dimension is double, so new length will be 2L, new breadth equal to 2B, new height equal to 2 small h. So new TSA equal to 2 of LB plus BH plus HL. So I will write the formula in terms of capital letters. 2 of L equal to 2L, 2B, 2H, 2L. So 2 into 2, 4, 2 into 2, 4, 2 into 2, 4 common. 2 of LB plus BH plus HL. So this is the old 4 into old TSA. So TSA will be 4 times. So if each dimension is double, then TSA will be 4 times. Okay. Next, second, if each dimension is tripled, if each dimension is tripled, then capital L equal to VL, capital B equal to VB, capital H equal to VH. Now new total surface area, same formula, 2 of LB plus BH plus HL. So all capital letters, LB, BH plus HL. Now 2 into L equal to VL, VB, VH, VL. So overall 3 into 3, 9 in all common, 9 of 2 of LB plus BH plus HL. So this is the old TSA formula. 9 into old TSA. So if each dimension is triple, then TSA will be 9 times. Okay, now, so express in words, can you find the total surface area of the box if each dimension is raised to n times? So if each dimension is raised to n times, then total surface area will be, if we observe, if each dimension double, this is 4 times, triple 9 times. So what is the relation between 2, 4 and 3, 9? 2 square 4, 3 square 9. So if each dimension is raised n times, so TSA will be n square times. So this is the required solution. Okay, next question number 6th. Sixth question is, the base of a prism, the base of a prism, the base of a prism is a triangular in shape. Base of a prism is in a triangular shape. Okay, next, with the sides 3 centimeters, 4 centimeters and 5 centimeters. With the sides 3 centimeters, 4 centimeters and 5 centimeters. Find the value of the prism. Find the value of the prism. If its height is 10 centimeters. If its height is 10 centimeters. Okay, so the base of a prism is a right triangle, right? So triangle shape. Solution: it is given a triangular prism. Sides are 3 centimeters, 4 centimeters, 5 centimeters. So 3 centimeters, 4 centimeters, 5 centimeters are the sides. So if we observe 3, 4, 5, these are the Pythagoras triplets. So this is right angle triangle. So 3, 4, 5 are Pythagoras triplets. So 3 square plus 4 square equals 5 square. 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 5 square 25. So 3, 4, 5 are the Pythagoras triplets. So 3, 4 are sides and 5 is hypotenuse. So 5 is hypotenuse. Area of the triangle equal to half into base into height. Half into base into height. 1 by 2. What is the base? 3 and 4. One of them base, one of them height. 3 into 4. 3 into 2 into 1, 2 into 2. So 3 into 2 equal to 6. So 6 square centimeters. What we need? Volume of the prism. So volume of the prism formula is base area into height. Base area into height. So what is the base area? Base is in the shape of triangle. 6. Height of the prism which is given, we don't know. Okay, height of the prism 10 equal to 60 cubic centimeters. So this is the value. So height of the triangle different from the height of the prism different.